Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna show you how you can join a private Discord server without being invited. So you don't have an invite link, but maybe you can be a little bit lucky. So this is what you need to do. You can, and bear in mind, you can do this from your phone, from your PC, from your laptop, doesn't matter. Log into Discord, go to this plus here, add a server, and click on join a server. And here you're going to type in https://discord.gg, and this is where things get interesting, because here is where you can type something and maybe you can assume something that somebody put in their invitee if you are, for example, interested in some group. So let's say we type in PC and say join server, and you see we've been invited to the Punisher City server. So yeah, pretty cool thing. You can find a lot of cool things, and I don't know what to say. Try and experiment in many ways. I hope this helped you. Give us a sub for more useful videos. Bye.